Hello, friends, and thank you for tuning in. This week on Danny Ray Lives, I am going for a hike with my friend Catherine, and we are putting the fantastic fan into my van. Yeah, that's right, we're cutting a hole in Ellie, guys. Hello, friends. We are at Summit Park. Catherine got a hold of me today while I was working, and I had most of what I wanted to get done. So I decided to take a little study break with her, and we went to Summit Park, which is right across from Bortel's, the family-owned fish market. I'll show you guys when we get out. We parked over there, so we're there.
We're gonna be doing some photography.
Yeah, she wanted to take some pictures, so we're gonna do that. Not of me, however, because I haven't showered yet today. But I'm going to later. Yeah. Hopefully. So yeah, this is what it looks like. We're gonna walk down these stairs and check it out. Chilly and a little windy, but it's super nice. Catherine's back there taking some photos. Just walking. Ugh. Better keep those on. Because I'm not getting anything. They're kind of expensive, but they only open for the season. Hello, friends. Today we went to Lowe's bright and early, got some stuff to put the fan in. Actually, my friend who works at an RV store, who installs these all the time, offered to help, so I may wait till tomorrow to put the fan in. I'm not sure yet, but right now we are putting some wood in. I only grabbed a few because they were kind of expensive, but we may pick up a few more tomorrow. We're just gonna kind of go little by little, so yeah. So that'll be the ceiling. go. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. I guess we're gonna go for the fan today because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we're just gonna go for it and see how it goes. Oh, I'm nervous.
You
Go down there and grab it.
yeah, hold it up and then I'll. No, I didn't realize that's why I moved over here.
Well, I didn't think it would be so like chintzy.
Oh, it is. Yeah, they're chintzy.
They're like, oh, $20,000? Yeah, if you sit on it, you're gonna dent it.
Yep, 10. I know it.
Ooh, I hope this doesn't leak.
Well, that's the big thing. All right, now.
I'll go inside.
I think we gotta go. Yeah, it's gotta go in this way.
Yeah, the opening needs to be toward the back. It needs to open toward the back of the van.
Yeah, yeah, I think it'll be. I think it'll be okay. All right, so I want this. What do we got for screws here? I don't know if these are gonna be. I don't know. I'm trying to.
Okay, so we put the butyl tape on, screwed it in. Now we're just putting a couple more pieces of wood for the ceiling. We got a few in, but they're expensive, so we only have a few in for now.
All right, is
And
that
that's
good?
today's work.
Missionary in.
Let's see.
Yeah.
It works!
Works pretty good. See, it's on a temperature thing, so if the temperature gets too hot in the van, it'll automatically turn on. It's kind of nice, yeah.
That's so
Then if,
sweet!
then if the rain comes, the thing will automatically
I
come
love
down.
it! That's awesome. I'm so excited it works. I want to go to
Yeah.
Walmart and buy this hookup so I can keep it on.
Well, you gotta keep this and we'll just hook it up and you can have it. I'll buy another one.
Alright. Yay, I love it.
There's 3. Boy, she really plows the air.
Yeah, it does. That's awesome.
Oh, we already got one. I already got a bug in there.
Oh, careful.
How'd he go?
Oh, it's still in there.
There's your. And that turns it off. Was there another covered?
Thank you everyone for watching. If you want to know details on how I put the fantastic fan into the van, check out my blog post. The link will be in the description below, and I kind of detail like how much it costs and like how we actually put it in. So if you're interested in that, click down below.